Good afternoon, engineers. It's Mrs. Vandermissen. Welcome to Monday afternoon in Period D. I wanted to let you know that this week I am a student as well as a teacher. I'm off-site taking some specialized engineering training. So each day I'm going to set up a video introduction for you so you know what my expectations are for class and what I have planned for you. Today let's start by looking at our weekly calendar on the screen here. Today is day 5 and we are going to work on isometric drawing. There's a tutorial posted, as well as at the end of this introduction I am going to walk you through making a few of the marks using our very drawing block that you'll be working with. We're out of class on Tuesday and Thursday this week, and then later in the week we'll be taking another look at mechanical drawing in a different way. And then on Friday, we'll be back into CAD or computer-assisted design, creating 3D renderings of the drawing block we're working with today. Let's hop over to Schoology. You can see on the sidebar, here's today's assignment. Within that assignment, I posted a document. Since in the past, a few of our video links have had a hard time opening, this can be clicked or cut and pasted into a web browser and it will play on your iPad. So whoever is airplaying this video introduction, thank you. Hopefully you can also play the isometric tutorial so everyone is seeing the same thing at the same time and we kind of minimize audio chaos in classroom. Okay, so I am going to take you over and show you a photo of our drawing block. We're going to use this front corner here as our anchor point, just like when we did the orthographic drawings. And then I'm going to show you on some isometric paper the first mark that we'll make with that. I'm going to locate my anchor point as low and left as I can, and then mark that. And then the first line will represent this measurement of the drawing block. It's 4.5 inches in real life, or 2 1/4 inches to scale. So if we go ahead and look at the isometric paper, that is 2 1/4 inches to scale. Each side of the triangle on your isometric paper represents 1/4 inch, so you can just count that out. That should be 9 blocks there. And then we're going to move back over. I want to make the next mark as my vertical line, the vertical edge that goes up from the anchor point. We'll flip back over to the paper and I will move that view so we can see that one. And then go up in this direction by measuring and marking as we go. It should be 2.5 inches in real life, or 1 1/4 inch to scale. Then the next line that we will take on the drawing block is from it's the last edge that we can see off of the anchor point. It's going back, and so mark it in this direction, 3/4 inch in real life, or 3/8 inch at half scale on the drawing. So that's 1.5 blocks. Okay. The next thing I'm going to do is I want to move from this point, since I've finished every edge on this anchor point. I'm going to do the vertical line there. So that's 5 inches in real life, or 2.5 inches to scale. So that would be 10 marks there. And then I'm going to go ahead from this same anchor point and move forward on the drawing block. It's this one. So you can see this on the isometric. I'm going to come forward, so it's 3/4 in real life, 3/8 in half scale, and then we're going to move back in the backward direction along this. This is 1.5 inches in real life, or 3/4 inch to scale. So there's the next drawing there. So you're just going to continue around each edge and measure and mark on the isometric. When I get back next week, I'll review these with you and then we can work on or correct anything that was difficult for you. Have a great day, and I will talk with you in class on Wednesday.